Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Universe Sam. It's nice to see you guys again after a long time. It's been quite some time that I actually worked on my videos. This is because I got jammed up with few things and then I had to travel, and so today I am making my video from Canada. So before I start tips and tricks about Excel, I would love to share a few pictures that I took here in Canada. Please have a look. So let's get started with our work today. And it's about tips and tricks of Excel. My first tip is how to separate two combined names into two different columns. So I'll open my worksheet here. So you see in this one, I have this column here and it has a full name of all my students. Okay, so, but for some purpose, I want their first names and last names separated in separate columns. So what I did, I just copied it here. So now I have two columns, the two same columns, and then I'll show you how to do it quickly without using any formula. So first of all, I'll select this column first because I want to have only the first names here and I want to remove the second names from this one. So I just selected this one and I go to replace, and here I can say space asterisk and then select replace all. Now you see that I'm left with the first names only. Okay, now the same thing we'll do with the second column. Select this. Now in this column, I want to have only the last names and I want to remove the first names from here. So the same thing, except that this time I will just say asterisk space, replace all. All right, and there you go. This is the easiest way you can separate first names and last names into two different columns. So my next tip is how to find the path of your file name. Like suppose this file is saved somewhere and I want to know the exact path where it's saved. So what I'll do quickly, I'll just pick up any cell here, type in equal to cell parenthesis. Once you press parenthesis, it will give you all these options here. And from here, I'll just pick up this file name, double click on it, and then close the parenthesis. Press enter. There you go. So now I know this file is saved under C drive, users, HB, desktop, and that's the file name. Okay, so it's as simple as that. All right, so the next tip is how to define names of the columns. We all know how to calculate sum of the columns, right? So it's so simple. Just click on this and auto sum, and this will calculate the sum of all three subjects here. And if you drag it down, you'll find the total of each student. But now at this stage, suppose math and science are two subjects that I want to calculate separately. Okay, I don't want to include this English, or maybe there are some other columns that I don't want to include. And so for that, there is a longer way. Of course, you can do that. Separate these two columns and do it the same way as you did with the AutoSum. But the quickest way is, of course, how you can define names of each column. For math, I'll select math, right click, define name. And here I will say math 1. Okay. And same for science. right click, define name, science 1. And you can see that it refers to the same range that I have selected. Okay, now here I want the sum of these two columns only. So simply you would just select any cell here, type in sum equal to sum, parenthesis on, and just say math 1, comma, science 1. You will find these names once you start typing. And then parenthesis, close. So 3204 is the total of all the math total and science total. Let's try it again here. Let's do the total here and total for science, and then let's combine these two. This plus this, just to verify if that one is correct. Yes. So we got 3204 here and 3204 here. So the next step is to show that which cells of my worksheet has formulas and what formula have been applied on them. So you just press a combination of keys and this will show you the cells. They will highlight the cells, and also it will show the formulas that have been applied to that cell. So just press Control and tilde sign, and then you will see that your spreadsheet has been expanded, and when you go down to the right side you will see the formulas here. So you see that under this total column I have these formulas, and also when I calculated this thing for the math and science only, I have a formula here, and then also for these two. And if you want to bring back to the normal view, you can press it again, Control tilde. So I'll tell you what is tilde sign. It's just on the leftmost corner of your keyboard, just under escape. So the next tip is related to the previous one. So we know how to highlight the formulas, and now what I'll do, I want the text or the columns or the cells that I have formulas, I want to highlight them. So press F5, go to special, and under formulas just remove these logicals and errors and text. So because we have been working with numbers only, so that's fine with us, and I'll just press OK. And the same thing happened here, in this one. How is it different from the previous one? It's like the tilde sign was showing the exact formula, and this one is highlighting the cells. So the thing is, now you see all these cells that have formulas have been highlighted. So simply I can go to this one and I can change the color of it, for them to be prominent. So now I know that all these cells have formulas, and you can check that one again with the tilde sign, Control tilde, and you will see that, see these ones. So tilde is showing you the exact formula, and I'll put it back again, Control tilde, and the normal view is showing you the output of the formula. So this is it for the tips and tricks today, and I hope you liked my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please give me a thumbs up. Take care.